Also today, we're gonna do a sample on some quarter sawn white oak. If we were still in school, I would have gotten more of this for you to do yourselves, but since obviously we don't have that to deal with, we're gonna do it here. So I've got quarter sawn white oak. I've sanded it from 150 to 180, now 220. I don't have to raise the grain on this because what I'm gonna do is we're gonna fume this with ammonia. This is not your household ammonia. What they found out at the turn of the previous century, people like Gustav Stickley, the famous furniture maker, that if you expose woods that are rich in tannic acid like quarter sawn oak is, all you do is put it into a container and cover it in an airtight space. The off-gassing ammonia reacts to the tannic acid in the oak and it changes the color of it chemically. So what I'm going to do is just put it in this little Pyrex dish. We have our ammonia. This is really strong. You need to wear a respirator when if you're going to do this. Pour it into a little into each container here. Oh yeah, that'll wake you right up. That is nasty stuff. Let's get that covered. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on either end. I'm not putting it onto the wood. What I'm gonna do is cover this up with cling wrap, saran wrap if you will, and this will go overnight. You can fume for as long as you like. What I do is, if I'm doing this, and I've done a lot of it before, I will keep checking back every few hours to see how the sample is reacting to the ammonia. The downside to this kind of finishing is you don't have to neutralize it, but it reacts to the tannic acid in the wood. One board may have more tannic acid than another, so your results can often be varied. So that's the downside of using some of these old methods. I have done some arts and crafts furniture for some clients. I've done entire rooms before, and we sealed up the doors and windows with plastic, set up the ammonia around the room, and let it go overnight. And it was amazing the color difference that it will make. So at this point, that's all we can do with this right now. We're gonna build our color next video that we do and make a very arts and crafts style color.